Good evening. Welcome back to Public World True Reliable News with your host, Elizabeth Caldwell. And tonight we're talking about America's infrastructure. Now, infrastructure means many things. And when I think about it, one of the things I do think about is how the infrastructure broke down when Katrina hit New Orleans and hit the dam and passed through the walls that were supposed to protect the people of New Orleans from the water coming cascading in. Did you know that how a 1% chance a flood becomes a lifetime disaster? Did you know that? The term 100-year flood is misleading. It does not mean once per century. Oh no. It means a 1% chance every year. And it means when you tell them that, especially the engineers, it gives the public a false sense of security and safety. Risk accumulates with time. Ever hear of that one? A 1% annual chance becomes a 26% chance over 30 years. This is the same math that caught New Orleans off guard before Katrina hit. Aging levees and drainage systems are not built for modern rainfall. Climate-driven rainfall intensity is increasing. Urban development reduces natural absorption. In other words, it has no place to go. Even in Texas, they create landfills where the land has been scooped up because Texas is flat, and when it rains, the water goes up, not down. Flood maps are outdated and underprotect the risk of the water collecting. This is the exact scenery that turned Katrina from a storm into a catastrophe. Whoops, excuse me. Flood risk is not fully priced into property values. And in the states where the ground is low, or New Orleans, which is below sea level, it's practically impossible to get or horrendously expensive. Insurance companies are withdrawing from high-risk zones. Mortgage lenders are tightening requirements. So, coastal and river adjacent land is losing to long-term stability. With asset timing for people who invest in real estate, valuation, how much your home was worth before the storm as compared to after the storm, risk exposure, are those still high enough to take your home above where all the flooded water will rush by, migration patterns, long-term portfolio strategy. This is not a commentary, folks. This is market intelligence. This gives you an idea of a factual explanation of what you need to do. It has become a public education angle, a Katrina memory anchor, a climbing risk framing, a policy relevance hook, and you need to be aware of it. If it don't take care of rain and water from dams bursting asunder, then you face a great risk, death included. Thank you very much, and stay safe, be aware of your surroundings, And remember, flood insurance can only go so far, and the rest is up to you.